Good evening everyone. Today Kayna will be showing a science experiment on how to create an electromagnet at home. Do you know electromagnet is also known as a temporary magnet and is a magnet that runs through electric current. So let's begin. For this experiment, we will be needing one iron nail, some copper wire, one dry cell and some magnetic substances such as a nail, pin, safety pin and a coin. I have cut my copper wire and now I will wind it around the iron nail. I have left some gap between the copper wire and the iron nail to connect it to the dry cell. I have completely wound the copper wire around the iron nail and now I am going to fix it to the dry cell. I am putting some doctor tape so that it fixes completely. And now on the other side. And press it well. I have made my electromagnet and now I am going to show the effect of it on the magnetic material. If I remove the copper wire from one side, this nail will stop acting as a magnet as the circuit will be incomplete and the nail will fall down.